Hey there, I'm Samantha, and today we're going to make dog shampoo. Shampoo, dog shampoo. The things that you are going to need are apple cider vinegar, oats, a lemon, jar or container, baking soda, a measuring cup, a knife, and a stirrer, something to stir with, a measuring cup, a knife, and something to stir with, a sock, an old sock, a bowl, some water, and a dog. The first thing that you're going to want to do is take your sock and your oats. Put your sock on your hand, put it in your oats like you're picking up dog food. There you go. Now take your bowl and your water, put some water in your sock. And now squeeze. Now you've got this beautiful oat tea water. I just invented oat milk. So I've got about 2 cups of my oat and water mixture. The next thing that you need is your baking soda and your cup, measuring cup. Take about 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Pour it in your mixture. And give it a stir. Then take your lemon and cut it in half. Cut it in half. And now for more squeezing. Squeeze it into your mixture. And this is fun because it fizzes up because of the baking soda. Because the baking soda is so basic and the lemon juice is so acidic. Check it out. That's pretty fun. Can you hear it? You want to let it settle before you put it near your dogs. The next thing you want is apple cider vinegar. And you want about 3 to 4 tablespoons. It really fizzes up. And the last thing that you need, I didn't mention because it's optional, colloidal silver and some essential oils. I like essential oils for dogs, but you have to be very careful with them because dogs are very sensitive. I have in here spearmint, peppermint, tea tree oil, lavender, silver, and witch hazel. And they're all really highly diluted. So if you're going to use essential oils for dogs, make sure that you're only using a few drops. It's very important because they can actually get sick and have high toxicity levels show up in their livers and things like that. So you want to be really, really careful. So I only have a few drops, maybe even 1 drop of each. Also, I have colloidal silver in here, which diluted all of this, plus just regular water. So I'm going to add that to my mixture. It makes your dogs smell nice, and they also help with skin conditions. Now the last thing you're going to want to do is take some water and dilute the whole thing down, a whole bunch. No matter that all of this stuff is good for your dog's skin, you don't want to put too much on them because they're sensitive little boogers, like you and me. And I put about 3 cups of water to half a cup of my mixture. And now let's wash some dogs. They hate it. It's gonna be fun. I'm Samantha, and today we're going to make dog shampoo. Shampoo, dog shampoo. The things that you are going to need are apple cider vinegar, oats, a lemon, jar or container, baking soda,